Hello everyone. So my name is Ansh Sharma and today in this video we're going to talk about how we can create videos of our PowerPoint presentations. So it's gonna be really easy and fun to do this. We are going to simply create videos of our PPTs. Like I've already created many videos on study, like on chapters of science and even maths I've created. So in these kind of videos and even on technicals, I have created some slides. And definitely for slides I'm using PowerPoint. So how I convert PPT to a MP4 video, today in this video we're going to talk about that only. And then we are also going to discuss about some cons of some video qualities and about my opinions also, and I will share with you my experience also. So let's get started now, and my name is Anshirma and you are welcome to my channel Little Guru. So let's get started now, guys. Okay guys, so now we are in our PC screen, right? So I'm gonna open PowerPoint and a blank presentation, or if you want you can open another any template you can choose. So right, so over here you can add any design style also, like if I make a, I will write over how to add, I will type in how to add, how to make, I mean how to make a video of your PowerPoint. Okay, so of your PPT or presentation, we can write, okay, presentation, presentation, right? So let's add a question mark right here. Okay, guys, and right, so I can add over here Ansh Sharma and anything also you can add. So let me just increase the size of it. Right. So Ansh Sharma, little guru. Right. So you can add anything, and if you want, you can add something over here also. And how to record your video if you want. So let me add something over here, like I can type in Laura with some 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and something gibberish I'm gonna type. Okay. I'm just typing. I'm just typing rubbish. Okay. So please don't mind. And now if I click on record slideshow, then it's gonna open something like this. And I'm gonna change my camera, which is through this, and actually this is already in use, so let me select this general webcam, and I'm having another webcam. Give me a second to take it. Right, it's right here. Actually it fell down by mistake once and I didn't took it up, so now, yeah. Okay, so I'm also visible hopefully at there. 1 second, I'm gonna see. Yeah, guys. Okay. So if I record something in this firstly slide, so I'm gonna say, let's start as you're able to see. So hey everyone, and today in this video we are going to talk about how to make a video of your presentation. Okay, let's move on to our next one. Right. So over here I'll be typing. I'm sorry, I'll be speaking right here that Lord and Mipsum gibberish. Hello world, and something like this I spoke. So as you're able to see, it all has been saved right here. I'm gonna move it, okay, so that you can see, as my camera is also there. So I'm gonna move it right here. Okay guys, so as you're able to see, we have wrote this and it has been recorded. If I play this, then hopefully you can also hear, I don't know, some gibberish. Hello world. So yes, it's working. Yes. Hey everyone. Yes, it's still working. And you can even make it full through this. Right. So I'm gonna go over here into the file, as we have did all our work. We will be going to the file and we will be clicking on the export one, and you will be clicking on the create a video option, and over there you will see this one. You can make it full HD or make it ultra 4K, ultra HD, which means, and you can choose anything. Let's select this one, and if I click on create video, I'm gonna select a name for it and gonna save it on in my documents folder. Right, so I'm gonna save it, and it has started my process, and it's too fast as my video is uh, really a really short video, so it's just quite fast. Hey everyone, and today as you're able to see, it's working perfectly. How to make a video of your presentation and with some gibberish. Hello world. Yeah, so it is completely working, guys. You can create any type of video which is of any length, you can easily create. So that's gonna be really easy, I hope, for you. And as you saw that it is quite easy, all you have to do is that just open your PowerPoint and you're done. You're done, guys. So it was really easy for me also to create such a videos, such type of videos, I mean. So it's really easy. You just have to select any of your microphone or your camera, anything like that. You have to firstly set up these kind of things. And nowadays I have bought a new camera, today only, I mean. So today I have bought a new camera and a new microphone. This is the microphone. This is of Boya. I have this case, I mean this cover also of Boya, and it's working really nice. It's really nice, guys. On this only I'm creating a video, so I'm not wearing any headphone, as you're able to see. And it I'm gonna just put it in my jacket like this. I just hold it right here, as you're able to see. This is the one, so I can easily put it right there. And I have bought a webcam of Logitech today only, and they both are working really easily. I thought to put a video on unboxing also, and definitely I can put a review on them also, so I'll try to put it there. And I hope that you are also create such a able to create such a video. And if there is sometimes, when you try to create a video with 4K ultra, yeah, this means I mean ultra HD, then it sometimes create a little bit of issues. I tried once in my PC, and I made a 4K video, and what happened was it was lagging. I don't know why, but it was lagging. And in 1080p, which means just full HD, it was working perfectly, but in ultra HD it was not working perfectly. So it is working in not my PC only, or it is with everyone, I don't know. So I'm just talking about my PC. If it is working in in yours, then that's a really good news that you can make videos of 4K also. And in 4K the size can even go up to 2 GBs if your video is around of 10 to 15 minutes. So this is also a issue with these kind of um, quality videos. So make sure that you have such space, and use it really wisely, as once my space got over, and that was really frustrating after that. So please work wisely with these things, and sometimes it can create issue and take a little bit of time also. So give it some time if your PC is little bit slow. So it will definitely do it. As in when I put videos with PowerPoint, it can take some time. Like I put videos on 20 minutes or 15 minutes, any type of videos I put, then it can make some issue. Like it can take some time also, I mean. So it can take some time, like it can take 30 minutes, 1 hour. So provided this much of time, and if you are even working on a laptop, then also you have to provide. And if your PC is not that much powerful, then it can take some time. So be patient. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel and also like this video. So thanks for watching, guys, and I tried my best to help you out with this. If you still have any error with PowerPoint with creating such videos, then please do comment me in the comment box. I will try to help you out with all these errors. And this is a really easy way to create videos which have a really nice quality also. I like this thing about PowerPoint, that we can select our own quality. So this is the reason why I sometimes use PowerPoint and not just directly record the screen. And in PowerPoint, one thing I wanted to show you is that when I go to insert, I am able to see an option of screen recording in the media one. Where in the media one, I go to the insert tab and I'm able to see a media option right here. And if I click on screen recording, I can select the area like this, and it has selected whole area, and I'm able to see this record option. If I record it, it's gonna start it. Right, as you're able to see, it's recording. I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna stop it, and you are able to see this in front of you. As you're able to see, it's recording. I'm gonna pause it. Yeah, right. It's working perfectly. So this is the way how you can even record your screens if you want through PowerPoint, and it's free of cost. That's the best thing of PowerPoint, of using PowerPoint. So I hope you like this video. And if yes, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like to my channel. And if there is any doubt left or any suggestion in your mind, you can definitely put that in the comment box. I will definitely look into it and try to provide you some video on your post. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys.